My name is Pedro Rivera. I grew up in Puerto Rico, came to Connecticut, served in the United States Army. I have 3 kids, and I got a grandchild on the way. That Asnuntuck Community College was, and still is, in my opinion, the best choice for a career in manufacturing. I almost ended up making a seriously wrong choice. About 2 weeks before school started, my buddy called me up and told me about a job offer that the company that he landed on was offering me after we got laid off. It was really hard turning good money down, especially when you're so desperate for it after being unemployed for 2 months. But I had my mind set already. It was a really positive experience. Hands-on experience from the very beginning. The program is designed to help students come out not only with good knowledge on your trade, but overall a well-rounded professional. I learned about blueprint reading and interpretation, CNC programming, metrology, SolidWorks. I'm a proud co-founder of SWA, SolidWorks Anonymous, because it's addictive. Wide trigonometry, which I gotta say has been more than helpful on a couple of occasions when I've been able to calculate drill point depths, saving me time and able to produce good quality. Career development, seriously helpful. And last but not least, lean manufacturing. When I say I went to school, I'm not saying I was just present in the service. I wasn't afraid of the future anymore. I felt, and I still do, so prepared. I was eager to go out there and take charge of my future. For the first time I ever walked into a room for an interview knowing for a fact that I was going to get the job. Because I knew I was going to impress anyone with the new me. Very soon after graduation, I was already applying for jobs here and there. That same day that I sent my resume to the company that I work for now, Aerogear, they called me up to set up an interview. I agreed to a next day interview. Later on, I learned that having the name of the school in my resume gave me a little advantage over other applicants. The day after my interview, I was full of joy when I checked my mail and saw the letter from the company. It was my job offer. I was now a professional, real stability. Aerogear started sculpting a really good machinist in me. I started working on the lathes. Very soon I was challenged with more complex works like milling and shaping. For the past year and a half, I have been entrusted with some serious responsibilities. I am also an aerospace gearbox assembler. It fills me up with pride knowing that I carry such a responsibility on my shoulders and I build a gearbox for, after all, human lives, possibly mine, one of my family members, or maybe yours, are in my hands. Within 2 months of graduating at Asnuntuck Advanced Manufacturing Technology Center, I not only had a job, I had a career, which is a big difference from one another. And as it says on my t-shirt, you can make it here.